We talk football SA. I'm with my brother here. Put.
Babuhlungu.
Ibuhlungu indaba kaJayden.
As painful as it is to me, in reminder, Liverpool losing Jota.
Yeah.
Look at how Liverpool tend to be. What worries the most to me is the performance of Sundowns this year.
Yeah.
Will they perform?
Same way.
How much will this loss of Adams damage the current players?
Yeah.
Definitely there will be a damage.
Yes.
And we can't run away from that because of some of these players were not just friends on the field, they were also friends off the field.
Yeah.
So somehow, imagine if you have 5 or 6 players that are on the starting 11 were close friends, it means that the whole momentum of the team will drop. So that's why I'm saying that this whole incident, it reminds me the loss of Jota with Liverpool, because of since the departure of Jota with Liverpool, things have never been the same. The team spirit is not there, although they are trying their level best to perform. So I hope Mamelodi Sundowns will be able to be strong enough to face all this. Trust me, for the first 5 or 10 games of Mamelodi Sundowns, we will actually see this on the pitch. It's not something that will end now, but it's something that we're still going to see from the 1st of August, maybe to the 3rd week of October. We're still going to see the same thing. It's not something that will actually just fade. So it's something that sizohlezi sibona. Trust me and believe ukuthi this whole thing izohlala kuma players.
Bengithi mangimbona edlala umfana ngendlela kade seyibambe ngayo ngathi mina hayi usho ukuthi Sundowns mangibheka isingamdayisa uTebogo Mokoena ngoba umuntu ongadlala leya position isikhona, kodwa njengamanje kubukeka ngathi sibuyele emuva.
Trust me, yabona makukhuluma ngoMokoena no Adams. Mina if ever okay wayicheck iSundowns, show me a game whereby Mokoena no Adams lost the game. I've never seen when they are playing together losing a game.
Yes.
I used to compare them as Umbatha no Makaula. Makaula no Umbatha by lose a game.
Yes.
Mokoena no Kunja no Adams, they will lose a game with Sundowns.
Yeah.
They will fight until the last minute. So
Yes.
a combination, Mokoena even himself, although we know how strong he is,
Yes.
but however he was playing more.
Yeah.
Adams was giving him that thing to say, look, this is how we can do this. So the combination itself, I believe that the whole spine of Sundowns, Adams was part of the system with Sundowns. Sundowns play with the system, and that system runs through Mokoena and Adams. So there will be a loss in that system. Yes, Sundowns. As much as we understand that Sundowns system, it runs through their midfielders because of after that they know where to distribute the ball. So there will be something. There will be something that will break that system on Mamelodi Sundowns. Like I said before, that this loss will count to Mamelodi Sundowns a lot.
Yeah. Last words to his family, to his teammates, because they should be devastated by now.
To the family of Adams, this is something that you cannot run away from. This is something that each and every family has to go through. But the thing is that Adams are still young. But however, God gives. And he's still the same God who takes from us. So we can't have control over God's decision, and we can't question his decision because we know that he can't take without leaving something. Definitely to the family, we believe that God has better plans, and they must just have faith. And to have faith doesn't mean that God will do what you want. It means God will do what is right for them. So they must just put their faith to God, and then everything will happen.
No, my brother, thank you so much for your time.
Siyabonga, baba.
Siyabonga.